I'm calling you daddy, daddy, can you be my daddy, daddy, I need a daddy, daddy, won't you be my daddy, daddy, come and make it rain down on me, come and make it rain down on me.
My sex game the best, my tongue game is crazy. I don't eat a pussy, I feast in it, baby. I'm looking on the clip, she grabbing on her tits. I got that pussy wetter than a toilet in this bitch, so I hit her from the back. She said she like that, I'm going real fast while she throws it back. She grabbing on the sheets, she saying I'm a beast. I hit her real slow from the front, I'm a freak. I fucked her so good that I put her to sleep. She got the bed soaked like she pissed in the sheets. I made that pussy come exactly 6 times. I ate the pussy so good, she said the pussy mine. Better. So good that I got her hypnotized. I'm feeling on her tits while I'm grabbing on them thighs. I'm going real slow while I'm looking in her eyes. I make her come so much that her face looks surprised. I'm going so deep that her eyes opening wide. She's saying yes, Daddy Rell, you my type of guy. I'm laughing out loud cause I'm calling her a freak. She got the bed soaked like she pissed in the sheets. She scratching on my back, yelling Ratchet go deep. She screaming her lungs out while that bed squeak, squeak. She gave me some head so she wouldn't be giftless. And then baby girl, you sure are gifted.
Down low.